So I'm about to get up top and clean all these air conditioners right here. And I'm terrified of heights, so you're gonna hear me complaining a lot while I'm up here. And I don't like it. Oh, every time BJ fucking shakes too, I feel him moving the whole bus. Oh, I hate heights. Man, it's like that whole corner got bashed. Wish me luck that I don't die. Hello, friend. Oh, bumped him. Oh, I'm so happy I'm done with this shit. Oh, I hate it. I have no idea what I'm doing. I've never cleaned these before, so it's a learning adventure. Leave comments below telling me all the things I should be doing. Wow, that's really bright on camera. My eyes! Well, I'm up here, and I don't like it. Yep, time to get to work. Oh, every time BJ fucking shakes too, shakes the entire top of this. Feel him moving the whole bus. Oh, I hate heights. Okay. I only have to do this till dark. Ta-da! Very dirty air conditioner. Alright, well, I hope that stays good enough. Get most of the dirt off quick. I really should have brought the air compressor up. And some, I think we need to get some HVAC cleaner so that we can clean them a little bit deeper and better. Man, it's like that whole corner got bashed. Probably not good. Some of this may just be irredeemable. Well, I am getting some of them straightened. Gotta be a 15. That looks the closest, but it only lines up for like 3 of them. I don't know. I don't think this tool quite fits it. Mostly I think I'm just going to use the brush but intensely. Seems to be straightening them out pretty good. Something better than it was when I started. Reshaping my tool a little bit here so I can get down in there. Maybe long videos what this gonna be, but hey, I'm an editor. I know how to fix that. Almost think it'd be worth getting back down and grabbing my air compressor. Yep, there it is. Time to close her up and call it a night before it gets dark. Just kidding. I want to try an air hose. Alright, let's get her back together. It's starting to get a little dark out. Storms are brewing off to the west. It's time to get this thingy back on. Also, paint's starting to come off of it. Every time I touch it, I get a little bit more on me. And the roof honestly needs some paint too. That'll be soon. That one's done. Bet it works a million times better because there's all kinds of crap that came out of it. Alrighty, time for the next one. Wish me luck that I don't die, fall off or something stupid. We're gonna work on this one, and we're gonna work on that one, and we're gonna work on that one. See how it goes. the next one over there. A little spider friend in here. There he is. Hello, friend. Oh, bumped him. Whoops. Yikes. Alrighty, now for the next one. Here we go. Number 3. See all the gunk? And then you won't. And we're all clean. It's 100% better. Yep. Time to close her up and move on to that guy. So this one they did not make easy to work on. So now to work on it, you gotta be off on this edge. So that's where your coil's at. So I'm not gonna film this one, but here's a before. Here, I'll film the after, just quick like this too. I don't want to fall though. Really, these are all pretty fucking dirty, so should have probably done it earlier than 2 years. Yep. Have a wonderful view from my perspective of the world as it sits currently. Oh, I'm so happy I'm done with this shit. I hate it. I don't like ladders. I don't like heights. I like none of this shit. But you know what? I got her done despite it all. And I can bring the ladder back now. Now they're working way better.